Okay, everyone, I am super excited to share this library that is finally ready for April. It is the final library. And yes, if you are reading, there are 94 different rooms. And the reason it's so much larger this month is because we have a mini bonus brain break library, plus we have the addition of the Easter egg hunts all inside. So let's try to go through and explore it a little bit. Also, if you see the second slide, that's just if you want to give thanks and support all the effort that I put forth for creating, just hand me a cup of coffee. And so this was created because everybody is constantly scrolling. We have so many people in our group that it's just moving and it's just amazing. But sometimes we want something and we just can't find it because we have to go up, down, up, down. So this was created to make it a lot more efficient and more visual. So there are video directions right here on how to use this and make your template. Let's start exploring the library. Okay, so our first page, you can immediately see which grade levels, who's the designers, what is the title of the slide. Some of us have some favorite designers. Jamie Buchanan makes some really great slides for the pre to K, maybe up to grade 2. So you can just go in and just take a quick look at her slide. What I do is when you get here, you see that pointing finger, press the pointing finger. That will take you there. I enjoy leaving the slides the way they are, so I appreciate everyone's work, so I love to give credit where credit is due. So if you have your Bitmojis on it, it doesn't bother me. If you have your showing your Bitmoji throughout the presentation, it's great because it saves my Google Drive, it saves space, and if I have to make a copy for some things that the links don't work, just remember that blue button at the top right hand corner will automatically save it in your drive. Otherwise, because it's in the present mode, you can just easily present it to your classes by clicking it forward. And I love to use the lessons just like this. So that's one of the rooms. And then let's go back to the library and let's go to the next page. And let's see from here, I had a lot of fun this month creating. There are many different ones. Holly Burnell has huge libraries as well, and they're multi-purpose. Again, I just click it. I do not need to make a copy of the library because I can use the library links in this mode. As you see, it takes a minute to load because there is so much stuff. And I just have my students pick one number on each row. And I love to leave Holly's picture there because they get to know the other teachers as well. So they'll tell me, I'll say, okay, let's pick one from the first row, and they'll tell me which number they want, and we just click and it goes. So everything is in Safe Share, so it's really good for us, for the kids, so you don't have to worry about it. And then we go back and let's start looking at, there was and Trangly is great for writing. There's the mini brain break library. Anybody that is familiar with the brain breaks, they're usually videos. So there's a note here. This is published, so you can only view number 1. Number 2, there are no templates for this library because this is how it works here. Then when you get in and you just pick one of the videos, let's say I want to pick superhero. It's going to play automatically right here for me, and you don't have to go to YouTube. There's no need for a template because it's going to play automatically. So let's go back, and then we're going back, and then this is all the additional ones that were just added, I think this week. I think live animal camps. I've got to change that. That's not mine. That's somebody else's. I know it's not. It's Kimberly Michael. Okay, see? Good. I've got to edit. So let me go back in there. Then I think we added these last 3 slides. This one I can read. Yeah, this is one of the new ones this week. This is another one this week. And then here I'm just going to give a shout out to the people that attended the workshop, and I asked to get the Easter egg hunts back to me. Ha Trin, she did a great one based on her school. It's right there. And then I have really cute ones that Melanie Rodriguez gave it to the 8th graders, and I actually had to go back in, tweak it a bit, but these are actually 7 different hunts. So her 8th grade class did a wonderful job, and I just wanted to show you guys some of their work. So they're very colorful. They use the photos. I added, of course, and tweaked it because some of them had only 1 or 2 photos. Their eggs are kind of out in the open, so it's good for younger kids. I like this one here. Anonymous has got his little egg on the nose. And some of these are just really super cute. And the last one was actually from their group. That was probably, the camping scene was really cute with the bunny here, but I love the underwater one. And what was really funny is they handed it in and did not have a background. So I added the background for them. Great job, 8th grade. We're really proud. We've got some great creators at young ages. So let's go back. And like I said, everyone, I hope you enjoy this library. This is definitely a labor of love. I've spent so many hours up until 1:30 a.m. yesterday linking everything together. And if you have any questions, just send me over a message through Facebook and I will answer them. Everyone have a wonderful Saturday, and I will speak with you soon.